Hello, and welcome to the Creating a Windows Server Security Audit Lab course. This course will guide information technology and security auditors, and also cybersecurity professionals, in designing, installing, and configuring a Windows Server Active Directory virtual lab to enable testing, reviewing, and verifying of information technology and cybersecurity controls in a Windows infrastructure. To prepare for this course, you should confirm your computer meets the requirements for the various software and tools that will be used during the course. A minimum of 1.5 GHz, 64-bit processor is recommended on the physical system that will house the virtual machines, while a minimum of 2 GB is recommended for the memory assigned to each virtual machine. The available disk space on the physical computer should be at least 200 GB. Due to the various software that will be installed and configured within the virtual machines, it is important to have more than the recommended minimum hardware requirement specifications. An Ethernet adapter is required for connecting virtual machines in Hyper-V to the Internet. Virtual machines hosted in VMware Workstation can be connected to the Internet using either the physical computer's Wi-Fi adapter or the Ethernet LAN adapter. The recommended Windows Server Active Directory virtual architecture should include a Windows Server 2019 installed and configured as a domain controller. Another Windows Server 2019 installed and configured as a domain server or member server. A Windows 10 computer that will be joined to the domain controller and act as the auditor's computer for remote testing of the security controls, and an optional Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Some of the audit software that will be installed and configured during the course includes the Remote Server Administration Tools, or RSAT. RSAT enables server administrators manage Windows servers from a remote server, or from a Windows 10 or 11 client PC, by adding additional programs to the administrative tools in a domain-joined client system, such as the AD users and computers, group policy management, DNS management, amongst many others. Auditors can be granted read-only access to some of the server roles and features for an independent review. Policy Analyzer. Auditors can make use of the Microsoft Group Policy Analyzer toolkit to review group policy object configurations. The toolkit supports analysis and comparisons of one or more GPOs, for example, comparing a past and current GPO setting. A report can be generated and exported to Microsoft Excel to compare the differences and similarities between versions or sets of group policies. Windows Admin Center. Windows Admin Center is a web-based management and monitoring solution for Windows Server and client systems. It simplifies common system administration tasks such as troubleshooting, configuration, monitoring, and auditing. Auditors will require a separate domain administrator user account to properly review server configurations. The Local Administrator Password Solution, LAPS. The Local Administrator Password Solution provides an automated solution for maintaining and regularly changing the local administrator account on domain-joined systems. LDAPSoft AD Browser. AD Browser enables read-only remote access to Active Directory by using LDAP syntax filters to query AD objects such as user accounts, groups, and OUs. Some of the AD analysis features AD Browser can perform are auditing disabled users and auditing users created within a custom period. It also allows exporting of the filtered results to Microsoft Excel for further analysis. Network Mapper, or nMap. nMap is a free and open source utility for network discovery and security auditing. It can be used to discover active devices or hosts within a network, such as computers and network devices. nMap can also detect the operating system, ports, and services running on the discovered systems. You can visit auditlytics.com for a series of audit security checklists for operating systems, servers, databases, network devices, and web applications. Let's begin.